So in this module, we talked about programs that can make decisions, right? And that is being that programs can do that using essentially three types of keywords, right? If, right, else, and elif. Okay, these three keywords correspond to the single alternative, right? Single alternative, dual alternative, and multiple alternative decisions, right? So it's like, do you take a detour, or do you take a fork, or a fork with two outcomes, or a fork with multiple outcomes, right? And all of these if else, not else, but if and elif actually check conditions, right? Check conditions. And these conditions are Boolean expressions, right? Boolean expressions, which are a Boolean expression is a valid combination of Boolean operators, right? Boolean operators and literals and other expressions, right? So there are two types of Boolean operators. The first type is the comparison, right? Uh, which takes two variables or literals or even expressions, but arithmetic and string expressions, and they compare, right? So these can be expressions as well, but these are arithmetic expressions, right? These are arithmetic, and then they compare these two expressions, right? So the comparison can be equality, right? Not equal to, less than, greater than, or less than equal to, I'm sorry, greater than equal to, less than equal to, right? The second type of Boolean operator is the logical operator. Okay, logical operator, which is used to combine multiple comparison expressions. Okay, and a logical operator will take one Boolean expression on the left and then use and or, right, to combine with another uh, expression, Boolean expression, right? There is also the not, which always occurs before the expression, right? And this sort of reverses the outcome of this expression. Okay, and that concludes this module. I will post some assignments based on the if else. Okay, so it will be code that for which you'll have to make decisions. Okay, or your code will have to make decisions and then go one way or the other based on that decision.